Are you experiencing delays when viewing your Google Nest Cam's live feed? You're not alone. This video will explain why these delays occur and, more importantly, how to fix them. The delay, or latency, refers to the time it takes for the video captured by your Nest Cam to appear on your phone or device. While some delay is expected, excessive lag can make real-time monitoring difficult. We'll cover the common causes, ranging from network issues to camera settings, and provide actionable steps to minimize the delay. Several factors contribute to live view delays in Google Nest cameras. The most common culprit is a slow or unstable internet connection. Nest Cams rely on your Wi-Fi to transmit video to Google's servers and then to your device. A minimum of 2 Mbps upload speed is required, but 10 or more Mbps is recommended for smoother streams. Network congestion, especially during peak hours when many people are online, can significantly slow down your connection and increase delays. This is particularly common in the evenings when everyone is streaming videos or gaming. Outdated camera firmware or an old version of the Nest app can cause processing delays. Google regularly releases updates to optimize performance, but if you're using older software, you might experience longer buffering times. Excessive buffering can occur when multiple devices are using the same network simultaneously. If you have several smart devices, computers, or phones streaming content at the same time, the available bandwidth gets divided, leading to delays in your Nest Cam's live view. Nest Cams rely on cloud-based servers rather than direct peer-to-peer streaming. This means your video has to travel to Google's servers first, then back to your device, which can add several seconds of delay compared to cameras that stream directly. Using older camera models from before 2023 can also contribute to delays. These older devices lack the modern hardware needed for efficient real-time processing and may struggle with newer app features. First, test your internet speed using an online speed test tool. Ensure your upload speed meets the minimum requirements. If your speed is low, try restarting your router and modem. Position your Nest Cam closer to your router to improve the Wi-Fi signal strength. Consider switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, which generally offers faster speeds than 2.4 GHz, but has shorter range. If possible, connect your Nest Cam directly to your router via Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster connection. As a last resort, contact your internet service provider to address any persistent connectivity issues. Within the Nest app, adjust your camera's video quality. Lowering the resolution from high to medium or low can significantly reduce bandwidth usage and latency. Ensure your Nest Cam's firmware and Nest app are up to date. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Enable the low latency mode or fast mode if available in your app settings. This prioritizes speed over image quality, resulting in a faster live view. Check for and clear the app cache regularly to ensure smooth operation. Network congestion occurs when too many devices compete for your Wi-Fi bandwidth simultaneously. This competition can significantly increase delays in your Nest Cam's live view. To address this, identify and disconnect any non-essential devices from your network while you're monitoring your Nest Cam. This frees up bandwidth specifically for your camera's stream. Another effective solution is to use quality of service settings on your router, if available. QoS allows you to prioritize your Nest Cam's network traffic, ensuring it receives adequate bandwidth even when other devices are active. Finally, consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system. Mesh networks provide better coverage throughout your home and distribute the network load more efficiently, reducing congestion and improving overall performance. For the most reliable and low-latency live view, opt for a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible. This eliminates Wi-Fi interference and provides a dedicated connection for your Nest Cam. If you have a Google Home router, ensure it's properly configured and updated. Google is working on improving mesh networking integration with Google Home routers to further reduce latency. Keep an eye out for upcoming Google updates as they plan to adopt WebRTC for browser-based streaming to bypass app bottlenecks. Nest-aware subscriptions offer valuable premium features such as continuous 24/7 recording and advanced AI-powered motion detection that can help identify specific types of activity. It's important to note that while Nest-aware enhances recording capabilities, it does not directly fix live view latency problems. These delays are typically related to internet connection, network congestion, or server processing, not the subscription tier. Users on the free tier often encounter more noticeable delays because the service relies on ad-supported servers. These servers may have higher traffic loads and less priority processing compared to premium subscription servers. If you need continuous recording and other premium features, upgrading to Nest Aware is worth considering. However, be aware that it won't automatically resolve live view delays and might actually increase latency due to the additional processing required for constant 24/7 footage recording and analysis. For existing Nest Aware subscribers experiencing delays, try disabling cloud recording temporarily. This reduces the processing load on your camera and the servers, which may help decrease live view latency by freeing up resources for real-time streaming. The future of Nest Cams involves reducing dependency on cloud services and incorporating edge computing for faster processing. Keep an eye out for updates that enable local video processing. As smart home adoption increases, network congestion will likely worsen. Upgrading to Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E routers can help mitigate these issues. While wireless models are convenient, wired setups offer the most reliable performance. By implementing these fixes and staying informed about future developments, you can minimize live view delays and get the most out of your Google Nest Cam.